What's going on, internet? It's Monday. We get back to work. Yeah, we're back into the video making business. A lot of things have been going down. First thing that I'm going to tell you, we got a title. It's official. RSX is mine. We good. Now we can do whatever we want to it. But before we do start going crazy on the RSX, I want to make the truck a little bit more me. Now, in the last week or so, 2 weeks, whatever, I don't even know how long it's been. You know, there were some things that I couldn't stand, and as opposed to me filming them and doing the editing and all that jazz, I figured I'd just do it and get it done with, because honestly, who wants to watch me scrape tint on a truck for, I don't know, an hour? So I just did that off camera. We'll be getting it retinted probably later this week, along with some other things. But I'll show you. Let's go down and get the car out while we can. Get the truck in, and I'll show you what we're going to be doing tonight, as well as later this week. Parts. So, with everything I've been doing, I've been kind of playing around with some stuff, things to do to the truck, testing some ideas, and I think I know what we're gonna be doing to it. We're not gonna be doing a ton, but I have a grand vision for the actual long distance plan, because I've basically determined I can't leave things alone at all. Yeah, so since I can't leave things alone, I already have a plan of what we're doing to the truck, and as boring as it may sound, long term it'll be a street truck, but we're not doing 100% of that anytime soon. Right now we're just gonna do a couple things like the tint. We put a stereo in it, but right now we're gonna do the one thing that I think just changes the look of any car. And if you look at the RSX, you get what I'm talking about. Black housings. I hate it when the cars have chrome housings. I don't know why, don't ask me, but these always make them look more modern and aggressive, and I love it. So, unlike the RSX, I can actually find OEM black housing lights, which are sitting right here. So, what these are OEM black housing lights. I'll get it out here in just a minute. I don't want to play with this too much because it's loose and I'll break it. But for a reasonable price, about $400, you can buy OEM ones. That's exactly what I did. So we got these black housing headlights for the F-150. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in tonight. We're gonna move the car out, bring the truck in, and tear apart the front end. Alright, truck's in the garage. Doesn't look too involved. Tab, a bolt, screw, and something tells me there might be other things. So if we look here, you get the bolt hole. Right here. So, 1, 2. That's about it. Turns out we had to take off this top cowl. Basically like a push clip with a screw here, 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 and here. Really simple. They look like this. And if they don't come out all the way, just don't put pressure on it with the screwdriver. Just lightly turn it, and it'll pop up a little bit. Use a flathead, just pop it straight out, and it'll be good. Once you got that, another one here. And you just get in here, and it's just 1, 2, 1, 2, and then there is a clip in this bottom corner. If you look here, it's gutting. This one's in alignment, and that one's an actual snap clip. So just pull the housing out, and it should be good. You'd think Ford truck, American, it's gonna be Imperial. It's not, it's metric. It's a 10 mil. Use a 10 mil for your bolts. After doing both of them, there we go. That wasn't very eventful, but we got the lights installed, and it looks a million times better. The grill itself is kind of messed up and faded. Marcus put some shine on it, so it actually doesn't look too bad right now. You can kind of see it in there. But we got some stuff to help fix plastics. I kind of hit it a little bit on this. Not very well. Basically, it's like some dye. So we can re-dye this to be black. But we're actually going to be replacing this front grille here in the next couple days. So we're not going to mess with this anymore. Wait on the grill. So fast forward a couple of days. It's now Wednesday. Got a couple more things for the truck. These are the last things I want to do to it besides tint. Tint will be Monday. So we got a billet grill. And then we got some lights. So we're going to go ahead and put these the lights and the grill in real quick. Hopefully not too much pain. But and the grill is it's like a horizontal bar, but it's black powder coat. Okay, so in order to get to the bulbs, it looks like we have to pull the housings off. Can I have one car that I don't need to do this, please? This is stupid. This is stupid. I don't even know if they're gonna fit, to be honest, because these are aux beams. The LEDs, and I really should have projectors for these, but send it. And these sit in kind of like that. Oh, it should fit, but just barely. Ah, that's a difference. Really freaking bright, but I don't think this is gonna be blinding anybody anytime soon. But huge freaking difference. So let's bolt that guy in and do this one. Now those are cool. Let's do the grill now. Alright, so what we got here is a T-Rex grill. After messing with this thing for what feels like forever, finally got it all installed. It's probably not as good as I hoped, but it looks pretty decent. for, you know, a $200 grill. I just wish this was a little bit further back. Whatever. We ended up bolting it with the grill tabs on the inside of the hood, and these were a little bit of a pain to get in the spot, in the position. So we just kind of pushed it. They might even be backwards, is my thought, but they don't seem to be hurting anything. I bet money they're backwards, just because you could see back here, like wrong side kind of thing. I don't know, but it's more stable than it was. The other one was kind of creaking and doing weird things. So yeah, the only thing left to do now is to oh, and then the screws are under, you know, mostly under. This one's a little bit doofusy, but you know, whatever. This thing's a little on the rough side right now. But considering what she looked like a couple days ago, a week ago, looks like a street truck now. Looks cool. So maybe we'll go give it a wash and get a better look at it later. That's gonna end this one. Battery's about to die, so I'll make it quick. If you like what we're doing here, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, or links in the description for the things that I use in this video, including the lights, the grill, and the LEDs. So, that being said, we'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, I think I already know what we're gonna do. I see you over there. See you guys in the next one.
I'm a true champion.